here is called the triangle type identifier. The functionality of this classifies a triangle like equilateral, isosceles, or scaling based on three provided side lengths, provided the lengths form a valid triangle. For example, it collects three side of lengths, here the A, B, and C, and it verifies that the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. If invalid, it terminates with not a valid triangle. If valid, it will proceeds to classify. Um, Equilateral if all three sides are equal, and isosceles if at least two sides are equal. And if none of the above conditions are met, it will be scaling. So let's try it. I will enter 3, 3, and 3. It should be the equilateral. And next, let's try 3. 3, 3, and 2. It will be isosceles because only two sides are equal. And let's try again. 1, 1. Oh, let's try 3 and 2. It's not a valid triangle. And that's all.